Software development process and methodologies. Maya and Momo wonder how software is created. From mobile apps to banking systems, software is everywhere. But creating software isn't random. It follows a structured process to ensure it works correctly. Let's find out how. Every software starts with a problem. Developers follow a process called the Software Development Lifecycle, or SDLC, which divides development into clear stages to ensure success. The SDLC has 6 key stages. Requirement analysis, understand what users need. System design, plan how the software will work. Coding, write the actual program. Testing, check for errors. Deployment, release the software. Maintenance, update and fix software over time. SDLC stages can be organized in different ways, called software development methodologies. The choice depends on the project's size, complexity, and user needs. The waterfall model is linear. Each stage must finish before moving to the next. It works well when requirements are clear and unlikely to change. The incremental model builds software in parts, allowing early delivery of working components. Agile methodology is flexible and uses short cycles called sprints, with continuous feedback and frequent updates. The spiral model combines features of waterfall and iterative models with risk analysis. Each spiral includes planning, risk analysis, development, evaluation. But it's expensive and requires expert risk assessment. Choosing the right methodology depends on the project. Structured projects with fixed requirements suit waterfall, while dynamic projects with evolving needs benefit from Agile. Software development is more than writing code. Understanding SDLC stages and evaluating methodologies ensures software is reliable, efficient, and meets user needs. With Maya and Momo's help, we can see that planning, testing, and choosing the right methodology are just as important as coding. Now you know how software is built from an idea to a fully working system. Next time you use an app, remember, each step of SDLC and the right methodology made it possible.